Hello and welcome to Instadata. Today I will be showing you how to run targeted Facebook ads using our datasheet. It's super easy to do and a very effective strategy to make hyper-targeted ads. So let's just get started. Right here I have the Barstool Sports datasheet, non-verified consumer contact premium IG. You will see that I am using a premium IG, and you might be wondering, why aren't I using the Facebook premium dataset? And really it's just because I already had this available, but the Facebook package does provide a lot more data points. For example, right here, you might see gender. This won't upload because Facebook takes in a different gender format. And then same as for email and phone number, the Facebook premium package gives you up to 3 emails and 3 phone numbers, which is more beneficial for Facebook because basically the more data it sees, the more data that Facebook sees, the higher of a chance that this data will actually match up to an actual Facebook users for the platform to actually deliver ads towards. So it'd be easier if I demonstrate it, so let's dive right into it. All right, so I'm just gonna delete this. This was a previous example I made. So how do I actually upload the datasheet into Facebook? So you do this under custom audiences. So I like to do this under my ad sets. So I'm in my ad set right here, and I just click create new audience. So I'm going to click create new custom audience. Now I'm going to click customer list, and here you'll see all the main identifiers and all the additional identifiers that you can upload. The Facebook premium package covers email, phone number, city, state, country, zip code, date of birth, gender, and age. Or sorry, not date of birth. We cover year of birth, but not date of birth. So I'm going to click next. Does your list include a column for customer value? This is optional. You can include a value or a weight to your datasheet, but just for simplicity, I'm going to select no. So now if I want to add a customer list, I just upload the actual file right here. I'm going to upload it. As you can see, because I'm using the Instagram package, I'm uploading email and phone number, country, and age. If I were using the Facebook premium package, I would be able to upload 3 emails and 3 phone numbers, and also add gender as well, which, as you can see here, the gender part does not upload because it's not in the right format for Facebook. But the Facebook premium package does export all of your data to maximize the opportunity and power to upload it into Facebook campaigns. But this works for now, so I'm just going to click upload and create. And there we go. We've uploaded our data right into Facebook and have created a custom audience. So now with this custom audience, I have a couple choices. I can either create a lookalike audience, or I can just create an ad and run it as is. What I like to do with our data is I like to create a lookalike audience actually, and I like to keep this lookalike audience at 1%. So all I need to do now is to add a region, and in this case I'm targeting the United States, so I'm just going to add United States. And there we have it. So if you do want to target more people, you can increase the slider, and max will go up to 10%. So this just means that if you're selecting a higher value like 10%, the people that are going to be included in your lookalike audience are just going to be broader and might not be as the exact interest or the exact type that you're originally targeting. Just for a good standard and a good way to think about running campaigns, I like to start at 1%, and if need be, I'll increase it to 2 to 3%. So just for now, I'm going to keep it at 1%. I'm going to click create audience. So there we go. I've created a lookalike audience with a 1% score from my custom audience, which uploaded data from this data sheet right here. Just a little background of the specific ad I'm running though. I am running ads for Chaotic Collective, which is a streetwear brand. And just to demonstrate the power of this, right now Chaotic Collective is trying to branch out and expand their fan base to college students. So what we did is we took data from Barstool Sports, which has a lot of college students, and that's who we're targeting with our data set. So yeah, I can just go ahead and create, and all I need to do is just create the ad and upload the actual copy and all the creatives and do all that stuff, and just click publish, and there you go, my ad has been deployed. And I'm not going to do that for this video just because that's not really what we're discussing here. The purpose of this video is to show you how to upload data into Facebook ads and run targeted campaigns. Anyways, I hope this information was helpful. Let me know if you have any feedback or questions. You can just send me an email at ben@metaplug.io. And I hope you guys have a great day and are crushing it on your marketing campaign. So take care. Bye-bye.